What did we do today? We learned about animal classification. How are animals different? How are animals the same? How can we use a classification key? When we study animals, we put them into different groups. We do this by putting them into groups with other animals that have the same features. A feature is something that the animal has. For example, a cat's triangle ears are a feature. Cats and dogs are different animals, but they have some features in common, the same. For example, they both have fur. They both have skeletons inside their bodies. They both give birth to live babies. We can put them both into the same group, mammals. When we put animals into groups like this, it is called classification. A very important feature of animals is having a spine, also called backbone. The spine is the long bone that goes from the top of the neck all the way down the back. All of these living things have a spine. We call animals with spines vertebrates. None of these animals have a spine. We call animals with no spine invertebrates. Vertebrates and invertebrates are both groups that we can use to classify animals. We will look at 5 groups to classify animals: mammal, bird, reptile, fish, amphibian. Mammals. Mammals are warm-blooded. Mammals have fur. Mammals have live babies. Mammals can make milk. Mammals are vertebrates. Birds. Birds have feathers. Birds have 2 wings. Birds lay eggs. Birds have a beak. Birds are vertebrates. Fish. Fish are cold-blooded. Fish live underwater. Fish use gills to breathe. Fish have fins. Fish are vertebrates. Amphibians. Amphibians are cold-blooded. Amphibians breathe through skin. Amphibians live in water and on land. Amphibians lay eggs in water. Amphibians are vertebrates. Reptiles. Reptiles are cold-blooded. Reptiles have scaly skin. Reptiles lay eggs. Reptiles usually have 4 legs. Reptiles are vertebrates. Classify, to put things into groups. Identify, to find out what something is. A classification key is a diagram with questions that we can ask and answer. How to use a classification key. Step 1. Look at the question and decide if the answer is yes or no. Step 2. Follow the arrow down to the next question until you have reached your classification.